Gadget World for the best technical advice.
Hello and welcome to Gadget World, your one-stop destination for best technical advice. Since the Apple released its first AirPods in 2016, a lot of manufacturers and companies have been trying to come up with true wireless headphones just to meet the customer demand. As you know, everybody can afford an Apple AirPod because the cheapest version is costing upward 13,000 rupees, and that is something very useful for everyone, and that is the reason why we see a lot of Chinese rip-offs which are not good in terms of quality, but you will get for maybe less than 1,000 rupees, and which you might not be able to even use for at least 1 month. So that is one of the reasons why there is a huge demand in the market for good quality true wireless headset. And today we are presenting to you one of the best options options available in the market for around 3,000 rupees, the Anker Soundcore Life Note True Wireless Headset. So let's go ahead and unbox it and let's see what all things we get in this box. So this costs around 3,000 rupees. On the cover it's listed as a 6,999 rupee price, but after we see a lot of competition into the market from the likes of Realme and the OnePlus Nord in the sub 5,000 rupee segment, so they have gone ahead and reduced the price to 2,999, so which is a pretty good option in this particular segment. And most people might not know Anker as a brand, but Anker is a premium brand which produces premium quality and the mid-range quality devices and accessories in terms of audio and sound equipments, and this is one of the best options available in this particular segment. So I am going ahead and unboxing it. So when you unbox it, it's surprising to see you can see a few catalogs and something mentioned about the sound. The sound we hear, it's an interesting thing, so not as good as I hoped. So it is some kind of a card form which gives you some kind of information about the sound, and you have the catalog and other description about the device in different languages. Then also some more paperwork inside, and then you have a small kind of a user manual along with it. And this is what you get inside the box. So if you look at an Apple AirPod, what you get inside the box is just a normal AirPod case and an AirPod inside with very few options, and this is something you get for 13,000 rupees, and when you're spending around 3,000 rupees, this is what you get. So you have a pretty similar case with the AirPods inside, which is a pretty slick looking case, and in terms of design it is good to see that they haven't copied any manufacturer like Apple or OnePlus. They have gone ahead with their own design, which is pretty good, and you get a lot of options for it. So you according to your size of your ear canal, you have a lot of buds to choose from, and it also comes with an additional Type-C USB cable. So let's keep everything aside and let's compare this with the Apple AirPod that we have. So I am taking away all the boxes from the table, and let's keep only these two things, and this is what we have. So this is the final thing. And in terms of design, one thing which is good about the Apple AirPod, it's very small, it's easy to carry around, and it doesn't give you any options. So let's have you have a bigger ear canal, or your ear canal is really small. It does not fit, you don't have any other option to change it. So if you compare the two devices, you can see that this has a very bulky case, and AirPod comes with a very smaller case. But one thing you can notice is that is the connectivity part. So if you try to connect an AirPod, all you need to do is just bring it near the iPhone and just open the case. It will automatically give you options to get connected. But in terms of that, that won't work in an Android phone. That only works with a iPhone. But in case you want to connect it to an Android phone like Pixel, which doesn't come with a 3.5mm audio jack, you need to go to the manually Bluetooth settings and you need to connect it manually. So that's the case same with the Life Note as well. But one thing you can notice is that Life Note is slightly bulky when compared to the AirPod. So if you compare these two devices, in terms of look, it's not that very bulky, but this comes with the ear plug, which gives you a very immersive bass experience. So if you look at the bass and the treble and the volume levels, it is surprising to see that the Life Note gives you a much better standard when compared to the AirPods, which gives you a more subtle and a more cleaner kind of a sound. But if you are looking into music that is too loud and you want to enjoy music while you're running and traveling and when you are going to the gym, then you will get a better sound and better bass for a cheaper cost, which is in the Life Note. And one thing we have noticed in the Life Note is, so it also have a kind of a magnetic thing that you see in the iPod. So if you want to place your iPod, you just need to keep it here and it will push you, it will automatically just stick inside the case because of the magnetic magnets that are available inside the case, and you just need to drop it here and it automatically goes and settles in its position. So that is something which you get only in premium devices, and it is available for this thing. And one thing you can notice is that it does not come with a touch sensitive buttons here. Instead it comes with an actual physical button, and in my opinion this is better when compared to an iPod. So in terms of iPod, in terms of AirPod, you have a touch capacitive button. So if you're trying to skip a track or try to accept a call, I think a more tactile response that you get from a physical button is more fulfilling, because you will get to know that your command is already being sent instead of just guessing that and praying that it will work. So from my point of view, it's always better to have a physical button if you are having only one functionality to it. And another thing you can notice is that it comes with a LED light to it. So if you are not playing music or if you are not attending a call, this keeps on blinking throughout the day. So even if it has a very good battery life, if you plugged it into your ears, this keeps on blinking unless you play music or you accept calls, which some people might feel a bit annoying because you don't need this to be keep blinking and take everybody else's attention to it. So I think that was a feature that could have been avoided, or that could have been a feature that the user could have option to disable it, but apparently you don't have an option for it. And another one thing is, this is on papers it's not IP certified or it's shown as water resistant, but in day-to-day usages by different users, it will proven to have a good amount of water resistivity, and the case is IPX certified water resistance. So in case you are, if you are want to travel it, take it around, buy it to the pool, not go diving inside, but then if you're traveling in rain, or if you want to plug your earpods and you sweat a lot, that's not going to damage your AirPods in any way. So in terms of price, if you look at it, this is a steal for this price, because they introduced this into the market for a price of cover price of around 6,999, and due to a lot of popular players entering the market with even cheaper quality products for a larger price, they had to forcibly reduce the price to 2,999, which is a good thing for us customers, because for a smaller value you're getting a better value device. So you spend around 2,999 and you get a far better device than comparable to Realme buds, which comes around 2,000, or even the OnePlus buds, which comes around 5,000 rupees. So if you're spending around 2,999 rupees, you get almost an AirPod like experience for a far cheaper cost, and you get additional options like better connectivity, more options in terms of choose of earbuds, and also a 40-hour charge which you can have using this case. So we will definitely recommend, if you are someone who likes listening to loud music, and if you are looking for a particular kind of an true wireless earpods which you can travel around, and earbuds which you can take around without getting charged for multiple times, I think this is the right option for you.
Gadget World, for the best technical advice.